There's a feeling that's hard to describe. The feeling of being the first person in your city to have something nobody else has, to launch a business that makes people stop, stare, and wonder, where did they get that? That opportunity is real, and it's closer than you think, because today there are machines capable of working completely on their own. You buy them, place them in the right location, and they start making money without you having to operate or attend to them. Today, I'm bringing you 15 of those machines, and the best part is that almost nobody around here has most of them yet. You could be the one who gets there first, stays ahead of everyone else, and captures an untapped market. But let me warn you about something right from the start. The last machine on this list, number 15, is so incredible that the first time you see it in action, you'll have a hard time believing it's something you can already buy. It looks like it came from another planet, from a future that shouldn't even be here yet. So stick around until the end, because that one machine alone is worth the entire video. Let's get started. Machine 1. Freshly squeezed orange juice vending machine. Take a look at how people have changed over the last few years. Today, everyone is paying attention to their health. Soda has lost the battle because the whole world realized it's nothing but sugar, and now people are looking for something that feels more natural and cleaner. That's where this machine becomes brilliant. It takes real oranges, squeezes them on the spot, and delivers a cup of freshly made juice. No preservatives, no strange powdered mixes. The orange goes in on one side, the juice comes out on the other, and you get to watch the entire process through the glass. That detail isn't just for show, it's the engine that drives the business. The spectacle attracts people. They stop to watch the oranges drop and squeeze themselves automatically, and that visual experience alone pulls in customers. It connects directly to a water line and runs without you needing to be there. A gym, the exit of a train station, a shopping mall, any location where busy people pass by wanting something delicious without feeling like they're making an unhealthy choice. It's a healthy drink, ready in seconds, with no kitchen and no employees. And if you enjoy discovering these kinds of business ideas that almost nobody is paying attention to yet, subscribe right now. Because on this channel, Successful Entrepreneur, we're always hunting down these machines before they become popular. Machine 2. Pineapple cutting machine. Tell me the truth. Have you ever tried peeling and cutting a pineapple at home? It's a nightmare. The spiky skin, the rock-hard core, sticky juice everywhere, the knife constantly slipping. You end up with your kitchen in complete chaos and half the pineapple in the trash. It's one of those things people love to eat, but hate preparing. And that's exactly where the business opportunity is hiding, in that laziness. Someone figured that out and created the perfect solution. You choose your pineapple, choose whether you want it sliced or cut into chunks, and the machine does all the dirty work. It peels it, removes the core, cuts it exactly the way you asked, and hands it to you ready to eat. You don't have to touch a knife. Now where you place it is everything. A fruit market, a public marketplace where people shop for groceries, the entrance to a supermarket, places where people are already planning to buy fresh fruit, but the hassle of cutting it was holding them back. This machine eliminates that hassle instantly, and selling convenience to lazy people is one of the best businesses that exists. Machine 3. Sugarcane juice machine. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The heat is absolutely brutal, and you're walking through a public square. Suddenly, behind a glass window, you see a sugarcane stalk feeding into a machine and coming out as fresh juice instantly. Could you resist the temptation? Almost nobody can. That's exactly the power of this machine. Sugarcane juice is something many people know and enjoy, but very few can easily find. And this machine prepares it on the spot behind a transparent window where you can watch the entire process. It even includes remote monitoring. It tells you how much you've sold and how much inventory you have left without you having to stand there keeping an eye on it. In hot climates, it's a magnet, a beach, a boardwalk, a busy town square under the sun, a marketplace. People walk by overheated, see the juice being made automatically, and they give in. It's sweet, refreshing, and it practically sells itself just by letting people watch the process. We've already covered 3 fruit and beverage machines. Get ready, because the next one has absolutely nothing to do with food, and it triggers something far more primitive than hunger. Machine 4. Boxing machine. Pride. That's what this machine sells. Not punches, not entertainment, pure pride. Especially if you're a man, there's something inside you that needs to know who hits harder. You insert your coin, throw the hardest punch you possibly can, and a giant number appears on the screen announcing your strength to the world. And that's when the magic happens. Your friend says, "I can hit harder than you." There's the second coin. Then comes a third one for the tiebreaker. Nobody wants to go home in second place. You've probably seen one already because its natural habitat is the bar, right where people have already had a couple of beers and their egos are through the roof. You'll also find it in arcades, fairs, and bowling alleys. Any place where people are having a good time and feel like competing with the person next to them. And here's the best part for your wallet. It doesn't sell anything that gets used up or wears out. It simply charges people for the challenge over and over again. Punch, score, next challenger, all night long without ever getting tired. Tell me something in the comments. Out of these first machines, which one surprised you the most? I love reading where everyone's mind goes first. Machine 5. Popcorn vending machine. You won't be able to lie to me about this one, because I bet it's happened to you. You're walking along distracted, not even hungry, and then suddenly that smell of hot butter from freshly popped popcorn hits you. Boom, you instantly crave it. It happens to almost everyone, and that's exactly the trick. This machine doesn't need to convince anybody. The aroma makes the entire sale for you before the person has even decided. It's a vending machine that prepares fresh, hot popcorn with 2 flavors to choose from. And while it's making it, it releases that irresistible aroma that pulls people in like a magnet. The machine is its own walking advertisement, except it never actually moves. The perfect location is anywhere people are strolling around with no rush and looking for something to snack on. The entrance to a movie theater, a park, an arcade, a fair. Anywhere families and children are out enjoying themselves, that machine never gets a break. The smell spreads, the coin drops, and it starts all over again. Machine 6. Helmet cleaning machine. I'm going to describe a feeling, and I want you to tell me if you recognize it. You get on a motorcycle, someone hands you a borrowed helmet, and it smells awful, sweaty, damp, carrying the scent of 1,000 heads before yours. If you ride a motorcycle, or if you've ever used one of those rental bikes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's disgusting. Everyone experiences it, and yet almost nobody does anything about it. That almost nobody does anything about it is your signal that there's an opportunity waiting. Because this machine actually does something. It automatically washes and disinfects helmets. The rider places the helmet inside, pays, and just a few minutes later takes it out clean, fresh, and fully sanitized. No employees, no effort required from you. And here's the real gem. It's a service that the motorcycle world desperately needs, yet almost nobody is offering. A motorcycle parking lot, the area around a university full of riders, a food delivery company, a neighborhood where motorcycle taxis are everywhere. It generates income with every wash, and on top of that, it can also sell brand new helmets. Having the market all to yourself when everyone needs what you offer is one of the best positions any business can be in. Machine 7. Protein shake vending machine. Now let's head to the gym, because inside there's a pair of machines that are absolute gold mines. Let's start with the protein shake machine, and let me paint a picture of the perfect customer. It's someone who wants everything to be quick and convenient, and who also tends to have a little more money in their pocket. Yes, many of them have a tub of protein powder at home, but when they're in a hurry, when they forgot to bring it, or when they want to shake immediately after pushing themselves through an intense workout, that's when they stop thinking about the price. They just want their protein, and they want it right now. This machine gives it to them instantly, with more than 20 flavors to choose from, and it even cleans itself automatically on the inside. And the numbers back up the business case. In a well-located gym, operators are reporting between $2,500 and $3,500 per month, with profit margins reaching 60% to 70%. That's not pocket change, that's a real business. The smartest move is to partner with a gym and place the machine inside. The gym adds a valuable service for its members without investing a single dollar, and you earn money from every shake sold while people are working out. Machine 8. Refrigerated beverage vending machine. Don't leave the gym just yet, because the perfect companion to the previous machine is sitting only a few feet away. It turns out, protein shakes aren't the only thing people buy. You wouldn't believe how many people show up to work out, leave their water bottle at home, and halfway through their workout they're dying of thirst. Many gyms don't sell water inside, or people simply don't trust the tap water. And a thirsty person with money and no other options is a sale just waiting to happen. That's where a refrigerated vending machine that dispenses only cold drinks comes in. Water, sports drinks, everything ice cold with contactless payment. It's the perfect complement to the protein shake machine, and the same partnership with the gym allows you to install both machines at the same time. But don't limit it to gyms. This refrigerated vending machine shines anywhere people are dealing with the heat. An outdoor sports field, a sports park, the common areas of a shopping mall, a hot work environment. Wherever there's heat and people, a cold drink will never run out of buyers. Machine 9. Karaoke booth machine. Now, I want to take you to a part of the world that's several steps ahead when it comes to all of this. Asia. The next 3 machines were born there, and they're only just beginning to appear over here. Whoever brings them in first is going to have a huge advantage, so pay close attention. Let's start with one that, I'll admit, the first time I heard about it, I didn't see even the slightest bit of potential. A miniature karaoke booth. I thought, who's actually going to pay for that? Then I saw the phenomenon it has become across Asia, and I had to eat my words. And once I understood why it works, everything clicked. So many people love to sing, they're terrified of being heard. This soundproof booth solves that exact problem. You step inside alone or with someone else, close the door, and sing at the top of your lungs without anyone hearing you or judging you. You're not selling music. You're selling permission to let go without feeling embarrassed. And for a lot of shy people, that's priceless. A shopping mall, an entertainment zone, a movie theater, any place where people are killing time and looking for something fun to do. Wherever there are people waiting around and feeling bored, there are people ready to pay for a few minutes of entertainment. And hey, if you've made it this far, you're already one of the few people who actually watch the entire video. And that says a lot about you. Subscribe so we can keep discovering these incredible machines together. Machine 10. Instant Photo Booth. Printing machine. We're staying in that Asian world with the second machine in the trilogy, and this one taps into something that no smartphone has ever been able to completely replace. Think about it. Today, we take thousands of photos every day. But when was the last time you actually held a real photograph in your hands? Almost never. They stay trapped inside your phone, and nobody ever looks at them again. This machine brings that lost feeling back to life. The customer steps inside, takes their photos, edits them on the screen with fun filters and backgrounds, and within seconds has printed physical pictures to take home. That's the emotional hook that makes it unstoppable. People are happy to pay for a memory they can actually hold and stick on their refrigerator. Couples fall for it. Groups of friends fall for it. Families fall for it. It's a magnet for anyone who wants to preserve a special moment. Place it in shopping malls, event venues, fairs, or near busy restaurants. And don't forget the hidden advantage. Bringing in something that's already a massive hit in Asia, but that almost nobody has here yet, instantly makes you the innovator in your area. Being the first always comes with rewards. Machine 11. Hot Ramen Vending Machine. Let's wrap up the Asian segment with food, and honestly, you'll probably want this machine for yourself before you even think about buying it as a business. It's a machine that serves hot, steaming ramen, ready to eat on the spot. It automatically pours in the boiling water, includes 24/7 remote monitoring, and has a viewing window where you can watch the steam rise as it's prepared. Hot food vending machines are one of the fastest growing sectors in the world right now, and that's no coincidence. Because think about the exact moment when this machine becomes a hero. It's the middle of the night, you're starving, and absolutely everything is closed. Then, out of nowhere, there's a hot bowl of ramen waiting for you. At that moment, there's no competition. A university campus, a nightlife district, an office building, a transportation hub. Anywhere people get hungry at impossible hours, this machine becomes their lifesaver, and it collects the payment all by itself. And if these ideas have your mind racing, do yourself a favor and subscribe, because what's coming at the end of this video is the most impressive machine of all. Machine 12. Soft Serve Ice Cream Vending Machine. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know we've talked about ice cream machines many times before, and there's a reason I'm bringing the topic back again. This version is on a completely different level. It's a fully automatic soft-serve ice cream vending machine. And here's what makes it special compared to any other machine. You don't even have to be there to serve the ice cream. It makes the ice cream by itself, dispenses it into the cone with that perfect swirl, collects the payment, and is immediately ready for the next customer. No employees, no attention required from you. It's an ice cream vendor that works for free 24 hours a day. And ice cream has one unbeatable ally: kids. That's why location is everything. Near a park, inside an amusement center, in an arcade, or anywhere packed with children and families. A happy child pointing at an ice cream cone is a parent reaching for their wallet with almost no resistance. This machine turns that scene into sales, and you won't even notice until it's time to count the money. Machine 13. Freshly Baked Pizza. Vending Machine. Before we get to the grand finale, here's one more machine that still leaves people in disbelief the first time they see it in action. It's a machine that bakes a fresh pizza after you place your order. And pay attention, I'm not talking about an old pizza that's been reheated. I'm talking about an entire pizzeria compressed into a single metal box. It takes your order, bakes the pizza from scratch, and delivers it to you hot within minutes. The first time you see it, it's hard to believe all of that fits inside. Its moment to shine is exactly the same as the ramen machines, but with even stronger cravings. You're hungry, and there's nowhere to buy food. Late at night, in a college dorm, in an office district, or near a busy nightlife area. When every pizza place has already closed for the night, this machine remains the only source of hot pizza for miles around. And being the only option at that hour turns every craving into a guaranteed sale. All right, so far we've seen 13 incredible machines. But at the beginning of this video, I made you a promise. I promised you a robot. And now the time has come for the two most impressive machines on the entire list. Machine 14. Robotic Barista Machine. These last two machines are the most expensive of them all, but they're also the ones that throw you headfirst into a future that, honestly, is already the present. The first one is a robotic barista. And when I say robot, I mean a real robotic arm, moving with hypnotic precision, preparing drinks right in front of people like a professional bartender. This machine does it all: mixed drinks, cocktails, beverages of every kind, mixing and serving them with a level of accuracy that no exhausted human working at 2 in the morning could ever match. It never makes mistakes, never gets tired, and never asks for tips. But its real superpower isn't just making drinks. Think about the reaction it creates in a modern bar, at an event, in a luxury hotel, or inside a nightclub. People don't just buy the drink. They stop to record the robot and post it on social media. That free attention brings in even more customers. The robot is both the drink and the entertainment at the same time. It's one of those machines people will visit a place just to see in action. Machine 15, Intelligent Robotic Coffee Machine. And now we've reached the crown jewel, the machine that brings this video to a spectacular finish. If the previous one was a robotic bartender that can make just about anything, this is its specialized cousin, an intelligent robotic coffee machine focused entirely on the world of coffee. It prepares every kind of coffee, from a simple espresso to a latte with beautiful latte art drawn into the foam, delivering a level of consistency that's impressive cup after cup. The 300th cup of the day comes out exactly the same as the first one. Perfect every single time. This is the future of coffee shops operating without a single person behind the counter. A high-end shopping mall, an airport, a corporate office building, a hotel, places where thousands of people pass through looking for a great cup of coffee in a hurry, and where the, look, a robot making coffees, factor becomes a magnet for customers. It's expensive, I won't deny that, but it works 24 hours a day, never collects a paycheck, and attracts customers simply by existing. And that's how we wrap up this tour of 15 machines that most people never even imagined existed. But there's something even more valuable than that. Almost nobody around here owns most of these machines yet. And that means the playing field is still wide open for the person who's willing to be the first. It's not about working longer hours, it's about finding something that works for you, collects payments for you, and making sure you're the one who brings it to your market before everyone else does. Now I want to hear your choice. Out of these 15 machines, if you had to start tomorrow with just one, which one would you choose? And exactly where would you put it? Write your answer in the comments below, because that's where the best ideas come together, and we always end up learning from each other. And if this video introduced you to something you didn't even know existed, subscribe, because the next one brings even more incredible machines that almost nobody is paying attention to yet. You won't want to miss it.